Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to export a PDF to folio size using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and here we will find this resize option. Click here. Now select Standard option and click this Standard Arrow option. Now scroll down. This is folio size option, so you will select and select all page or a specific page and so on. Now so we'll select OK, and this is a folio size PDF already created. Now select file option and select document properties, select the description, and this is page size option, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and